Hello everybody, welcome to another episode. This is Nazapalooza. You're down here adjacent to the lab. We're doing an unboxing today of our new electric skateboard. And as you can tell by the box, this is a Possway V4. It proves that we are middle-aged and crazy here. In October of 2021, I think you've seen these before, but this one is interesting. We have a very psychedelic or artsy blue looking top. There was a box inside a box, which you did not need to see. There's also another box here. Looks like we've got foam for the wheels and a bag. Big wheels. Wow. So this is my first longboard, and certainly my first electric skateboard. Again, this proving that we are a little bit out of our mind. Well, we've been riding a long time, so this is not our first time riding a board. However, it is our first time riding one of these. So a good looking piece of kit here. Well, even too big for the table. I think we have an accessory box with a remote control, T-tool, and I'm going to feel like a really big tool if I crash and knock out my teeth or scrape up my face. A charger, and I think this is a remote charger. So you get some stuff. You get a little manual, you get a box in a box, and a nice looking longboard. So we're going to do a comparison in the next couple weeks on how this thing handles, how this thing rides, and how it compares, how a 2021 Possway V4 compares to a 1986 Vision Mark Gonzalez, which I am very comfortable riding. Hopefully, I will be close to or similarly comfortable in riding this, but I know it's a different beast. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos from the laboratory, aka the basement. And hope you like it, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.